I just got the correct
May pinag-aaral
5.
ka ba? Ang tanong.
Hindi namin ano yun.
Nasa ano si...
Ilan ba sila nag-aaral?
Oh, no.
Buhay na ako.
Public?
I almost restarted that.
Uy, ay, elementary
Grade
pa.
1 lang. Isa grade 1 kayo nag-public.
Grade 1
Nasa
elementary.
abroad si
Grade 1
tatay.
hanggang grade 6. Public.
Nasa abroad si tatay. Ako, buhay na ako.
Finally. What do I look like? I mean, no.
Talyer,
oh my God.
Ano magtataliro nun eh? Umaalis na siya.
Hindi, nay, walang ano yun. Basta, pag gusto magnegosyo, pag nandyan, try lang ng try. Nakita mo, si Adrian, nagnegosyo, umalis. O ako, nag-aaral.
Hilahin mo yung ano.
Ganun yun.
Lugar.
Pag-aaralan mo, siyempre, kung gusto mo kumita, pag-aaralan mo.
Si Kuya Abe, 27 years na sa abroad.
Walang business, kahit
Ngayon, uuwi siya, mag-retire na siya.
Tignan mo, magka-date. Ano nangyari sa
Neon
date?
Devil.
Wala
ganun
silang...
talaga na nga ang negosyo. Pag hindi gumano na
Wow, this is cool.
Diba? Ganun lang yun.
The girl version, the
Hindi
boy
pwedeng
version.
gigib up ka agad. Hindi lang nag-boom yung isa. Titigil ka.
I don't know where's the boy version.
NBC nga eh.
Tatanda ka, pag natanda ka wala,
No, don't listen. They're lying.
Si Henry Sinay, hindi siya mayaman ng bata, nagtatai lang siya ng sapatos. Kahit insect siya.
Dami nga nag-mercury drug nga eh. Ano niya
So
eh.
let's see if it...
Tayo siya ng sarili niyang tindahan.
Bruh.
Talaga, pag gusto mo mag-gusto.
Tama na.
Ayaw pa, hindi pa siya umaayaw.
Ang luwa niya.
Pagka umaayaw na, pagka umiiwas na yun, tsaka yan na.
Pag umiling na yan, tsaka na, pero mabagal talaga yung kumain. Ano na, paano na tayo? Saan yung pangkulay ko?
Ayun, Diyos sa blue na ano.
Kala ko di ka pwede magkulay.
Wala na, di man ako natanggap eh.
Hindi, dahil may bata ka sa bahay.
Kung buntis ako.
Sabi mo, maaamoy yan.
Ngayon lang. Ngayon lang, syempre. Doon kayo sa kwarto.
May kwarto ba kayo?
Doon kayo
They just want to
sa
impress
kwarto.
us.
Kasi magkukulay. Pag nakulayan na, hindi naaamoy. Ano ba yan?
Sa inyo ka magkulay ah.
Si mama magkukulay eh.
Ah.
Ano to, dalawa na agad? Hindi, isa lang muna.
One to one.
होते हैं वो चैप्टर चेंज करना चाहते हैं क्योंकि वो उनको स्टीप पसंद नहीं आता कई लोगों को स्टीप पसंद भी है
Yung pang-brush na siya. Ginamit mo ba yun?
सो हेलो गाइस वेलकम टू चैनल। तो कैसे हो आप सभी लोग। इस वीडियो में मैं आपको बताने वाला हूँ कि हम लोग क्राफ्टमैन 5 गेम में कैरेक्टर कैसे एडिट कर सकते हैं। हाँ, तो अगर आपको कैरेक्टर
Ang sarila ko.
Anong sabon?
Hindi. Kulay black siya na parang pang ano ng ano, parang pang kulay ng
Ay, hindi
buho.
ako nakikialam doon. Basta may sarili ako.
Nandun sa ibabaw ng mga sabon. Inaano ko yun sa bowl. Tapos nandun sa lalagyan ng sabon.
Hindi naman yung gensyo ng Thailand.
Saan ko to ano?
Oh, waka mo.
Hindi.
O doon muna kayo ni-reverse sa kwarto.
May ventilador na. Wala naman palabas sa Netflix eh.
Okay, that's actually
Ang
fine.
tawag na ito, saan ko to ang haluin?
Oo, hindi naman maamoy yan eh.
Uy, pag sinama yung ano ko.
Iba yung sa akin, maamoy talaga yung sa akin kakulay.
Bukas na lang natin tong ano.
Hey, sweetie. You must be slippery. I'm Rainbow. And you are awesome. You got that right. And so are you. Oh, thank you. Best rainy day ever. Yoo-hoo!
Okay.
Whoa, ahoy, Captain McStripes. Will you help me? I've been sea hunting for the missing shapes to my pirate ship.
A pirate ship? We're here to help you.
Ahoy, mateys. Let's find the shapes we need.
E-Y. Stream! It's E-Y stream! E-Y stream!
Which of these shapes has three
Bakit
sides?
din nyo na ginagamit yung stroller?
The star or the oval?
Siyang. Yung stroller, hindi nyo na ginagamit.
Pamoy nga ako, ha?
Right. The triangle. 1, 2, 3 sides.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god!
Ahoy, mateys. Let's find the shapes.
Where?
Next, we need a shape.
Nandun sa likod ng TV yung kulay verde.
Where is it?
Shapes has 4 equal sides.
Oh my gosh, it's E-Y stream!
Dito na lang tayo o malapit sa
Ay, Nod, ikaw. Sorry, Nod, ikaw. Okay.
Right. The square.
Whoa! That's amazing.
When Bakoko knows you're cheating.
The diamond, the semicircle,
Oh,
or the circle.
easy. Let's just do it. Creative. No. Survival. Creative survival. Creative survival. Creative survival. Right, one.
Sa likod na rin pinaparada yun eh. Nahihirapan ako doon sa umaga, sikit.
E-Y stream fan server.
Happy to help. But we still need to find more clues so we can figure out where our treasure is. Come on.
There's. Oh my gosh, no.
Where's the clue?
This is how I get.
Wait, no. Oh, look, there's a back.
You're a clue. I'm a clue. I dig it.
I really need to delete this. No, not yet.
Right? Okay. So, our friend Shovel.
I can't believe there's seeds in here.
We draw a semicircle, a line down and around for the handle, his eyes, and a big smile.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe there's a seed.
What was our first clue again?
If you were like that.
Right, a square.
Create.
And now our second clue is shovel. Huh. So where's our treasure? With a square and shovel.
Dito na lang tayo siya.
Maybe. But we really need to find our last clue so we can find our treasure. Hey, Slippery. Is everything okay?
Hey, Josh. Hey, Blue. I don't think I'm gonna be able to finish my little series for the blue team.
bukas, may lang ang gagawin ko.
Super rainbow.
Mayroon, iba-ibang kulay siya.
Okay. Slippery.
Saan ka ba gagamitin mo?
Hindi bleach yun.
Ito bleach.
Oh, sounds like Tickety needs some help too.
Saan mo gagamitin?
Hey, Tickety. Is everything
Ay,
Baka may mamasakit mo ako ah.
sa aircon.
Whoa!
Wala ko. Dadaktik pa mo ako eh. Tatapon
That is not normal.
mo ako dyan sa tulay.
That is not normal. Definitely not
Mga
normal.
ganyan ka po ganun.
be missing?
Tapos may maleta kang bibili.
I need to delete this. Oh,
Meron kang maletang dala dala.
All I have is
Ito sa strawberry lang.
Okay.
oh,
How can Tickety make the pipe cleaners look like
wait.
wheels?
Oh, I forgot I
Dito
still
sa
had this.
Antipolo walang ano ng mga CCTV sa
Nope.
mga kalye. No?
Meron iba. May iba.
Pero hindi.
Stream how to join server.
Dami na rin pala kung
Sa buhok mo hindi. Kasi layer. Ay, iba.
How to join the best server in Minecraft. And you can do this on any device, either Java or Bedrock Edition. For Bedrock, all you do is press play, then click servers, then click add server, use the name EY server and the IP.
Okay, EY server. Oh my gosh.
More highlights. Click add server. So today, how to join the best server in Minecraft. And you can do this on any device, either Java or Bedrock Edition. For Bedrock, all you do is press play, then click servers, then click add server, use the name EY. Little friend, this cautious mob lives in some...
Those are amazing moves. Oh, maybe.
Click add server, use the name EY server and the IP play.eyserver.com.
Let's start with Palespoon first. Great.
What
Oh.
was Tails' dance move again?
Bounce, bounce.
Right. Bounce, bounce. Let's all do it. Bounce, bounce. Brilliant.
The port.
Mr. Salt's move next.
Eyserver.com. And then just leave the port.
Mr. Salt's move again?
Oh my gosh.
Oh, yeah. Shake, shake, shake.
Play.
Now let's do both their moves.
Huh?
Bounce, bounce. Shake, shake, shake. It's dance magic. Then let's add slippery smooth next.
What happened?
Ooh. And finish it
Whoa,
off
that
with
sheep is creepy.
Great idea.
Wonderful.
All right.
I should not. Okay. And shut this again. Proceed. EY server.
Slide. And twirl
Ito
around.
lang. Kulay yan. Ito lang.
Play
Yan. Yung loob lang.
the
Ito lang.
EY server.com.
Highlight sa loob. Sa loob. Pag ginanon ko, makikita. Kaya sabi ko sa'yo, ang dami mo. Basta pantay mo. Pantay mo.
Such a good dancer.
This big dance is gonna make the end of the show spectacular and big. Thank you. Break time. Break time, everybody. All right.
There you go.
Oh, thank you, mail carriers. That reminds me. I have a letter that needs to be delivered too.
Okay, that's.
It looks like something's missing here.
Yan, yung inangat. Yung isang layer lang yun.
Oh no.
Para hindi na tumasang.
This is bad. This is very bad.
Halos lang hindi sila gagawin natin hamo sa karamihan. Tama. O hindi ba kayo nagtatawa?
I need to